the top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took the little roller off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you ain't 2 Instagram. Oh, you ain't ringtones. Oh, you ain't trained on that bitch. Oh, you ain't ding dong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. So for today's video, we are vlogging again today. I have to get some gas. I have to go to the car wash. I gotta go back to O2 to return some things. I gotta study. I got so much stuff I have to do. So I'm gonna be bringing you guys along with me, like what I do in a day. But first I'm gonna get some gas because I'm literally on empty right now. Like I'm really on empty. So we're about to go ahead and get some gas. And I'm not too far from the city, so I'm not gonna put too much gas in the car because I hate standing at a gas station for too long, because I feel like it's always someone that tries to walk up to me and talk to me. So to get that on out the way, we're just gonna put like what $4 worth of gas in the car, because I'm not trying to stand for a long time. I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to hurry up, get this gas and go. Pumping gas is the worst, especially for like a woman, because it be so many people that be trying to walk up to people and talk to them. Like people are just trying to get their gas and go. Enough of me talking, let's hurry up and get some gas. We got the gas. Right now we about to go to the car wash.
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. This job here, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in.
This is what I was supposed to get. I had got the wrong color. I had got caramel, so I just returned this, and now I'm getting amber because it's more of a reddish tone, and that's what I want. We're about to get another lip liner. I was in here the other day and it was so busy. I need to get me some Black Girl sunscreen, so we're gonna get that also. Well, let me get a lip liner because I really need a lip liner. NYX got some really good lip liners, so I'm gonna try to find NYX. This is the one that I'm reading right here. Black Girl sunscreen right here. It's really good for your face. So I think I'm gonna get, wait, is it focused? Yes, so I'm gonna get this Black Girl sunscreen because I know it's really good. I always get the one in the back, don't get the first one, because usually they be using the first one. So one in the back always, so put that one back right in front. So we gonna get this. I gotta get a new lip liner because I got a eye pencil. So let's go ahead and get the right thing, and then we're gonna go because I am hungry and I gotta edit this video real quick. So let's go. You remember me?
What's your lip for today?
Took back the other lip liner, so I'm trying to find a new one.
What lip liner did you need?
I had returned the Juvia's Place one.
That one's gonna be. Did you get the one because it was slightly really dark? Get that one, Rebel kind. It's like the equivalent to MAC.
Wait, this right here?
Yeah.
Which color?
Oh, it's the same color. It shouldn't be here, but it's the
I
equivalent
remember
of MAC chestnut.
you had recommended me this. I don't know if you remember or not.
Yeah, this one, and if this one, because this one's like the equivalent of MAC. If you want something a little bit lighter than MAC, the only thing I recommend is Anastasia. Where is it? I think I got it in my pocket. It's like just like chestnut, but it's a little bit lighter. Because sometimes chestnut, even that, sometimes I find a little bit deep. Right here, actually. So malt is deep enough, but it's a little bit lighter than chestnut or this one is. So if you feel like this one even slightly darker for you, get the Anastasia and malt.
What's the lip combo like you got in the middle? Like,
oh, I just got this lip liner and what's that? Not bad. And Morphe Naked Dip.
you think that'll look good on me?
Well, the lip liner you can wear anything. I just put this on because I didn't know what to put on right now, so I just bought this just to bring it. So it's just a lip liner in this.
Oh, okay. Where is it?
It should be on the other side. Morphe. This is a more full coverage one, and these are the more sheer ones. This is a little bit more coverage, so that's the color I got right here.
Mouth. Without that, without that. Just a tad, just a tad bit. My first time eating Chipotle. Let's see how this tastes. It's so good. I hope y'all can hear me because you know I got my mic right here. And over here last time there was a bunch of girls. Yeah, I thought that was too. There was a bunch of girls gossiping, talking about somebody, and they were really loud. So I don't know if y'all can hear me now because I got my mic on that y'all can see. You know, I'm being sick of my content, especially my YouTube content. So.
It was one of those. Like I did. It wasn't like I just couldn't get up.
I'm gonna say the rest of this for home. I mean, Isabella said you can try it too. It's just so delicious. I've already tried this. She's the new too, like how her mommy tried something new. What is this big block is? Oh, that's the rice. I don't want to say what it is. White rice, chicken, sour cream, cheese, and mild salsa. So flavorful, and avocado. I'm about to save this for later. Like I said, I'm going to bring it. I'm about to bring it to Isabella. I want to try it, so. I'm about to do some editing.
I added a girl that was in my English class.
I gotta post this vlog today. Y'all been really wanting a vlog with me and twin vibes for life. And it's like, this is my channel. This is not a couple channel. He got his own channel if y'all want to see him. Y'all don't come on my channel commenting, we're twin vibes for life. He got his own channel if y'all want to see him. Okay, but right here, this is my channel, so it's gonna be more about me. But I'm gonna post a vlog for you guys when I first met him, since y'all keep on asking about him. So that's what I'm editing right now.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other man, are you happy?